modern life is full of diseased people. Ego, arrogance, pride, justification, self-aggrandizement, and always talking ill of those who they think are not like them. And how does it all come? How does it come? And when they go to meet a guru, they have all these wrong traits. He is short. He says he's only 5th class, maybe 6th, maybe 4th even, he is trying to avoid saying it. We make our judgment. And, all these people who are sitting around him are people of the same ilk, villagers. So what could they be? What could he be? Why have I come here? Why have I come to him? Anyway, I have paid, 1,000 rupees taxi fare from Delhi to Shahjahanpur. So let me sit for an hour at least, so that my money is not totally wasted. And so they come and go like that. So that when Babuji was asked where to find foolish people, he said, look among the intelligent. That's where you find them. And he said, I'm not joking. After the intelligent had left. I have seen very, high-positioned people, IAS officers, secretaries from Government of India coming to ask him questions. Have you seen God? And he said, suppose I tell you I am. Will you believe me? And should you believe me? You can only see God when you see Him for yourself. You cannot see Him through my eyes. But Babuji, people say you have seen God. Well, people say so many things. And the man left, saying, he says, what have I to do with him when he doesn't say he has seen God? So, see how our attitudes, we come with one attitude, and that attitude is strengthened more and more by what I see, by what I hear, by what I look and find for me. Because our nature, nature with capital N, only helps us to grow in whatever direction we want. You want to grow in this direction of disbelief, of wrong judgments, of loss of yourself? Go ahead. Babuji said nature always helps. If you want to go this way, it helps you to go this way. If you want to go this way, it helps you to go this way. If you want to stay here, it helps you to stay here.